Alright, I knew there'd be some collateral damage after the glue up. A lot of measurements, and I didn't have plans. I watched a few videos on YouTube and kind of just went for it. But all in all, I think it turned out okay. So, right here slipped down a little bit. But I've got to take all this down anyways, so that's perfect. And this slipped when I was making my marks, so there's a little gap here. I'm kind of tempted to cut this nose off anyways. I have been from the get-go. It's kind of long for a scrub plane, or not a scrub plane, sorry, a smoothing plane, but I've got a lot of shaping I'm going to do on it anyways. I want to make it comfortable. But all in all, I mean, this is dead even, and that's the real important part. When I put the blade in, it sits about, I'd say, 3/16 ish, which is ideal because you want it to sit in, and then you take it down to it so that you can adjust your depth of cut. But all in all, I think it's coming together quite well.